guys, today we're making curry kebabs, also known as Karahi Kebab. But before we do that, please go down below, hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. So I have 1 pound of ground beef here, and to this I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can also use roasted cumin powder and roasted coriander powder, just for a nice smoky sort of flavor. 1 teaspoon chili powder, ½ teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. We're also going to add in 1 egg. This is a binding agent to help hold all the beef together when you cook it, otherwise it will fall apart. So we're just going to mix it all together. Feel free, get your hands dirty because you do want all the spices and the egg to be mixed in nicely with all the beef so that the beef can absorb those spices in and give it a nice rich flavor. We're going to let this beef marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so now that 30 minutes have passed, we're going to start forming our kebab shapes. And for this, I'm just using a little bit of water to help me form them and give it a nice smooth texture. If you have skewers, feel free to use those, but I find that this is just quick, so why not just try to form them with my hands. Okay, so I was about to get about 20 seekh kebabs out of the 1 pound of ground beef here. Now we can bake this on a 450-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes for a healthier option, or you can fry them for a quicker option. So today we're gonna do the frying method just because I'm trying to make this quick dish for dinner, and frying will just be a lot faster. So we're gonna heat up our oil. Here I'm putting it on number 7, which is like a medium high. I've got my oil heating up here. So this is about maybe 1 cup oil, enough to deep fry the kebabs. So we're gonna start adding our kebabs to the hot oil one by one. And once you see them turn this darker brown shade, this took about 6 to 7 minutes, start pulling them out of the oil and put them on a paper towel, and we're going to keep these aside. Now we're going to begin making the gravy. So for this, I'm putting in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a fresh pan. And to this, I'm going to add in 1 cup chopped onions. And we're going to fry this for 3 to 4 minutes roughly. Okay, so I'm frying these on medium high, just a little bit higher than medium. So if you have a numbered knob, I have it on 7. Which is 2 notches up from the medium, and you can see they're starting to brown. Okay, so once they start to brown, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic puree and half a tablespoon of ginger paste. Now, if you like a stronger ginger taste, you can add more. I keep mine a little bit lower because I don't like an overly strong ginger taste, but you can add more ginger in if you'd like. And now I'm going to put it down to medium. I'm going to continue to cook this. Make sure you're moving your spoon constantly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. We're just going to fry this. So the onions I fried about 3 minutes, and now adding the garlic and ginger, I'm going to fry for about another minute. I just had it a little higher so the onions could fry a little faster, and now we're putting it down to medium. And now to this I'm going to add in my spices. So here I have some salt, black pepper, chili powder, coriander powder, and a little bit of sugar just to offset the saltiness. And we're going to start mixing that as well. And then I'm going to add in little bits of water as needed. So just a little bit, just so it's not sticking to the bottom. This we're going to let fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so see, I can start smelling that now. I can smell that it's coming together. And once that happens, we're going to add in half a cup of tomato puree. You can also use diced tomatoes if you don't have the pureed tomatoes. And again, mix, 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 mix. Make sure nothing is sticking. And now I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, and you'll know it's ready for the kebabs to be added in once the oil starts to separate to the top. See, so it's pretty much ready. You can see all the oil is coming to the top. Just adding a little tiny bit of water. So now we've added in the kebabs. You'll see my kebabs have gone down to half the amount because my family came into the kitchen and pretty much ate them all. So anyways, this is all I'm left with. So I'm just making the karahi with this. But normally you probably have some more kebabs in there. And that's pretty much ready. That's it. I'm gonna put some coriander. I'm going to add some chopped up green chilies. And there you have it. Here it is, all plated for you. And this tastes amazing with fresh naan. You can eat it with rice, but what naan gives you with this is just nothing else can compare. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.